Hello everyone, welcome to Getting Naughty. Today I'll be showing you the easiest way to make a magic ring for your crochet project. What is a magic ring? A magic ring or a magic circle is a starting method for crochet like a slip knot. A magic ring can be used in projects like beanies or toys like an amigurumi toy. The center of the ring closes tight. You can see this in focus here. Ooh, there we go. The center of the ring closes tight so that there's no gaps. This is ideal for toys where stuffing could poke out. You want to keep it nice and clean. To compare, this is a startup I used starting with a chain 2 and then with 6 single crochets into the first chain to create the ring. And then you notice that little gap there in the center. And this is the same using the magic ring with no gap. Alright, to start making the magic ring, you'll need your hands, your crochet hook, and your yarn. I'll be using there it is, 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, or you can use whichever one works best with the yarn that you have on hand. I'll be using a worst weight yarn for this as well. So this is how you do it. You wrap the yarn around your finger twice so that there's 2 loops. You're going to take your crochet hook. You're going to go under the first loop, grab the second with your hook, and pull back under. And then to anchor it, you'll just do a chain. It won't count as a chain on any of your projects. This is just to anchor the ring so it doesn't slip out. Then you'll want to pinch the tail of your yarn and the back of the ring with your finger before slipping your finger out. You're going to pinch it between your fingers there so it doesn't move. And then you crochet like normal. So I'm going to do 6 single crochet in here. And then I'll go ahead and secure it to the beginning of my ring with a slip stitch. Alright, so now it looks really similar to the other startup with the 2 chains, but this is where the magic happens. You take your tail end and you let's see if I can do this so you can see. Take your tail in and you gently pull nice and firm, and it closed that gap up perfectly. And if it's still not closed tight enough, just take your tail and you tug again. Nice and tight. And then from there you can continue on your project like normal. I will find sometimes that it does start to loosen up as you work. That is easily corrected by just pulling on the tail again. So you see it loosened up a little bit as you're working. But just a quick tug. And it closes right back up. Nice and tight. This has been how to make an easy magic ring. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. But I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.